Good morning, this is Todd Jordan with EV Shirts Environmental Education Center, and we're going to continue to demonstrate the glacial movement. And so the materials you use for this are wax paper, sometime a flat baking sheet, and then we need flour, and then some ice. And what we'll do is we'll take the wax paper and put it on the baking sheet. And next, each student will take some flour and they'll just sprinkle it across the baking sheet as evenly as they can. And once it's covered, they'll take a handful of ice and they'll just spread the ice around. And we'll actually let this sit in the sun. We'll put it up at a slight angle and we'll show you in a time lapse what that looks like next. So let's take a look at what has happened here. So you can see where the ice has created these little pools and streams. As it melts, it moves along the flour and it pushes and creates these little stream beds. And that's sort of what has happened out here. If you were out here at Lapham Peak, we would be able to show you the kettles and the moraines and how it created things like this right here in this landscape in Wisconsin. And so as you're looking at this, take a look at how these things were created. You can see after an ice cube is totally melted, you'll see the streams and maybe a little divot where it was at. And you get a better idea how glaciers shaped our land.